Hey everybody, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com, where we have no outrageous hidden fees. Let me show you this 2014 Dodge Charger SXT all-wheel drive. That's right, this one all four wheels drive, not a rear wheel drive like most of them. 3.6, it's the SXT, brand new tires, brand new brakes. Oil's just been changed, fully inspected. We're going to buy you a 12-month, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty. That's good nationwide. Heated cloth seats, remote start, big touchscreen, Uconnect Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, tinted windows. It is super clean, only 121,000 miles. It's local. I bought it from the local people here. Yeah, got the wing on it, the alloy wheels. It's brilliant white with the black cloth. Again, those seats are heated, power driver seat. Just really a nice clean car for the year and miles. Warranted, inspected. You can't beat it. See it at Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com.